Welcome to the ultimate guide to 30 days of free social media content for business owners. In this video, we will provide you with a step-by-step plan for creating engaging and informative content that will help you grow your business. Whether you are just starting out on social media or you are looking for ways to improve your strategy, this guide has something for you. So, what are you waiting for? Let's get started. The first step to creating successful social media content is to plan ahead. This means taking some time to think about your target audience, your business goals, and the types of content that will resonate with them. Once you have a good understanding of your audience and goals, you can start to develop a content calendar that will help you stay organized and consistent. Here are a few tips for content planning. Start by identifying your target audience. Who are you trying to reach with your content? Define your business goals. What do you want to achieve with your social media marketing? Research different types of content. What types of content do your audience find most engaging? Create a content calendar. This will help you plan and schedule your content in advance. Now that you have a plan in place, it's time to start creating your content. There are many different types of content that you can create, including blog posts, articles, videos, infographics, social media posts, email newsletters. The type of content that you create will depend on your target audience and your business goals. However, there are a few general tips that you can keep in mind when creating any type of content. Make sure your content is high quality and informative. Use visuals to make your content more engaging. Keep your content concise and to the point. Promote your content across all of your social media channels. Once you have created your content, it's important to promote it so that people can find it. There are many different ways to promote your content, including social media. Share your content on all of your social media channels. Email marketing. Include links to your content in your email newsletters. Paid advertising. Use paid advertising to reach a wider audience. Influencer marketing. Partner with influencers in your industry to promote your content. Creating successful social media content takes time and effort. However, by following the tips in this guide, you can create a content strategy that will help you grow your business. Remember to plan ahead, create high-quality content, and promote your content across all of your channels. With a little effort, you can create a social media presence that will help you reach your target audience and achieve your business goals.